you are. Chewy candy Jujyfruits. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly or not, but I know this is fruits, but I'm not sure how to pronounce the Jujy. I think it's Juji or Juji probably. So, here are the nutrition facts and here are the ingredients. And Jujyfruits come in 5 delicious fruity flavors: lime, raspberry, lemon, orange, and anise. A-N-I-S-E. Open it. So it's gonna have another napkin next to me. I always pour it out on a napkin. Is that it? That's it. There you go. So I'm not sure what even the flavors are. Well, their flavors are inside, but they're sorted by shape. So these are all the flavors in its own groups and in its shapes. So I'm only gonna be tasting all the flavors because I believe the shapes doesn't really have any matter to it. So I'm gonna taste the flower shaped one. Hard. I thought I could also eat another one. So the flower is gone. Oh my goodness. Oh. Kids will probably like it. My flower's trying to, move his tongue around. It's too sticky. I'm melting it in my mouth right now. Like with the Starburst. Kind of, use your tongue and teeth in order to kind of smooth it down. I'm a so-so with this flavor. I'm not sure what the other flavor tastes like, but since it's a so-so with this one, the most popular one, then I'm guessing the least popular one, which is probably the lime, it looks like to me, and the orange, will not have a lot of flavor. Oh, it got stuck in my front 2 teeth. I saw your slide. I saw a red piece on your teeth. Just have a conversation with a family member. I'm having a conversation with my father right now. I'm eating this super sticky thing. Okay. So. Okay. What's next? Looks like the lemon has a few. I'm gonna taste the fish. No, my goodness, I'm such a clumsy girl. Me always dropping and breaking things. I'm always losing something. So I'm gonna be tasting. How's it, Daddy? So? Okay. Yellow fish. So like all lemons, I'm like, okay, it's good, but at the end, and my father said it's kind of bitter at the end. Next flavor, I'm gonna try the anise because the flavors are lime, raspberry, which is probably this one, lemon, orange, and then it's anise, which means anise is the purple one. And I'm very curious about it because I never ate whatever that thing is. I'm gonna eat the fish. Well, the fish, my father's gonna eat it first. I'm not gonna eat it right now. Hi, Dada. So again, see you afterwards, guys. I'll tell you what flavor it is when I'm ready for it. So probably you guys have never heard of anise. This is my first time hearing it too. But when I searched on the web, it was known as licorice. I do not like licorice. I do not like licorice flavored jelly beans because I went to Jelly Belly and I tasted licorice flavor. I'm like, because it was purple, I'm like, oh, it's probably the grape flavor. And I tasted it, I'm like, right, what is this flavor? It's not grape. And then I thought up licorice. That's it. It's 3 minutes past already since I ate this flavor, anise / licorice, and it barely shrank. These 2 flavors. So orange and lime for you, orange and lime for me. Orange first. Tastes like orange juice. Lick. My father tasted the lime already. He said it does not taste like lime. He said it's kind of sweet and then it ends. and also, for example, this is my teeth, and for example, this is my front 2 teeth, and this is my other front 2 teeth. Like, chomp. Like that. One of the lime bits got stuck right behind there where even his tongue can get out. If it's kind of stuck like right here or so, you can just, use your tongue and kind of scrape it out. But if it's inside, no way, no sir, no siree. Time for the orange. This thing. I just tasted the orange one. I taste lime. I don't taste it. The first 1 second or 1 millisecond or so, it's like, oh, it's lime, but like 2 seconds later, it's whatever that thing is. So I'm actually still eating it. I'm still eating the lime. So let's move this out of the way. I'm gonna be ranking my ranking and my father's ranking. He's gonna be mouthing it for me since I can't put his voice in there. So mine, raspberry. First place, just clapping for this candy. I don't know why I'm doing this thing for a candy. Then, don't look at it. Second place, it might be a bit weird for you guys. Second place, lemon. Third place, and then fourth place, and obviously fifth, but I wish it was the infinitieth. Well, I wish, in my opinion, you guys can make it your first place, but in my opinion, the infinity, I'm not sure if that is even a number, fifth place, licorice, or anise. And my father's, so he's mouthing it for me, so I might get it wrong. Lemon, so that, oh, lime, sorry, so that's kind of different. Yep. Orange, and then it's probably the lemon, and then like me, anise, or like, I'm still eating the lime right now. So it's kind of similar, but it's kind of switched around too. So the top one is mine, the bottom one is my father's. Take a picture of it, if you guys want to, and compare it with your ranking, and tell me your ranking in the comments below. I was about to say the chat. We don't even have a chat in YouTube probably. Comments below, and tell me your ranking. It could be the same as me, it could be the same as my father's, and it can be, for example, like that. I mean, this is an example. I'm just mixing it up. I'm gonna give all this to my mother. I have to give this to my mother. She's not gonna eat it. Anyways, I'm still eating lime, so it got stuck in my inner tooth. Yeah. This thing is sticking out to pull a teeth out of me. Subscribe and press the like button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Oh, yeah.